It's a 2018 Mazda CX-5. A compact SUV you can be proud of. This CX-5 handles like a sports car and looks as poised and powerful as a predatory animal on the hunt. It comes with great features you'll love. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather sports seats, external memory control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, dual-zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, voice activation, power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and power heated mirrors. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Experience the difference at Rochester Mazda, where you get our best price. Bottom line, we are conveniently located at 2955 48th Street Northwest in Rochester, Minnesota.